Hello, I'm Anuradha. Welcome to the course Time Series Forecasting in Python. I'll be your instructor throughout this course. I'm a data science content creator and instructor, backed by Masters in Data Science and 15 years of industry experience. In this course, I'll guide you through essentials of time series forecasting, one of the most in-demand techniques for data scientists today. With the rise of data driven decision making, businesses from diverse backgrounds rely heavily on forecasting applications. For example, sales prediction, demand planning, anomaly detection, financial forecasting, and more. Industry reports and job posting indicate a growing demand for expertise in time series forecasting. So, congratulations, you have decided to learn one of the critical skills in your field. And now, let's have a look what we will be learning and doing together in this course. This is the version 1 of this course, Time Series Forecasting in Python, which intends to help you in mastering ARIMA modeling step by step. We will be starting with the layman introduction of time series forecasting. You will be creating your first time series structure using shampoo sales dataset as part of this section and learning how the time series forecasting differs from a regular regression task and what a general process may look like. Further to that, we will be proceeding with the essential building blocks of time series forecasting, which include stationarity, random walk, ACF plot, white noise, all backed with mathematical explanations and analogies to make your life simple in the next section, which is a complete hands-on section. We will be diving deep into incremental hands-on modeling of ARIMA-based models, starting from autoregressive, moving average, ARMA, ARIMA, SARIMA, and going till SARIMAX. And during all this journey of our course, we will be working on real-world forecasting projects with industry datasets. We will be achieving our complete notebook through practical implementation, starting from analysis, decomposition, and real-world scenarios, including walk-forward validation, model selection, auto-ARIMA method, residual analysis, model diagnosis, and much more. So guys, this is a completely engaging course. We will be starting from scratch and we will be doing incremental hands-on practical learning backed by strong conceptual foundations and simplified mathematical intuitions. So this course is for anyone looking to add time series forecasting to their data science skill set. If you are a business and financial analyst who wants to learn to predict trends in sales, stock price, or economic indicators, you would like to join this course. Or even if you are any industry professional belonging to fields such as supply chain, marketing, or economics, or in any manner, if you feel forecasting is required in your field, I urge you to join this course to make data-driven decision making using forecasting models such as ARIMA, SARIMA. Though the prerequisite of this course is basic understanding of Python, it's okay if you are starting from scratch because we will be doing step-by-step learning of Jupyter notebooks. I'm sure that by the end of this course, you will feel accomplished and equipped with this practical in-demand time series forecasting skill, and you can proudly showcase this on your profile. So enroll now and come with me on this exciting journey of time series forecasting in Python. So enroll now and come with me on this exciting journey of time series forecasting in Python.